WireCasing is just so difficult to open. To open it here is difficult unless you have a finger go inside here and push it out. That's much easier, right? But once it's on the wall, you need a lot of strength to open this, and most of the time you may pull out the nails or glue attached to the wall. So this is not what I want, and the only way to make this more loose rather than so tight, the stupid designer who made this, open it up and cut away this area here that is holding the base. See, once you put it inside, it's very difficult to release, all because of the top part here. It's just too much. You have to cut away a little bit more so that it is not so tight. By doing so, you loosen the grip on the base part here. When you pull it up, it's much easier to detach. If you don't do this, it's very difficult to detach from the base. You don't want the edges to be very sharp. You just do like this. It will smoothen the edges. See, it's much better now. Finger friendly. It's much more easier to remove compared to last time. By putting with two fingers, it will attach easily. Let me show you the differences between these two. This is the one I have trimmed off the edges. With two fingers, I just put it out. It's so easy because the edge here should have no obstructions. It cannot clamp to the side here, otherwise it's difficult to pull out. So the side here, all this that is holding on to the base must be removed. Here and here. This is the original one. The other one that I bought, it's very difficult to see. I can't even open it. I have to do it this way. This one also cannot. It's so hard, difficult. And I'm gonna put the side here to release. Yeah, you don't want to do the same when this is on the wall, because it will pull out the nail or the glue attached to the wall. Can you see how difficult to open it? Now, it's very difficult. Look at my finger, the color. I'm not cheating. See, it cannot take out. But for this one, once you have trim off, it's easy, and it saves the nail, it saves the glue, it saves the paint on the wall.